Good day everyone, I am Kyle Angeles together with Edmar Suwayan and Ageles Peregrin, and we will present our program name, place, location. This Java program demonstrates the concept of abstraction using an interface, an abstract class, and one concrete class. The program model a simple place and location for landmarks and showcases how abstraction can be implemented in Java.
So here is the abstract class Hawaiian that inherits the peregrine class with abstract void name. Down here is the interface peregrine with method locate. So here in the Angeles class, it is inherits to the Hawaiian class, and these are the data that will be override to the interface and abstract method.
This code demonstrates how objects are created and how methods are invoked in Java using interfaces, abstract classes, and polymorphism. The Peregrine interface declares the locate method, and the abstract class Suwayan implements this interface while also declaring the abstract method name. The Angeles class extends Suwayan and provides concrete implementations for both methods. In the main class, an object of the Angeles class is created. Suwayan display equals new Angeles and used to call the name and locate methods. The name method outputs the place Sampaloc Lake, and the locate method outputs the location San Pablo City. Together, these method calls demonstrate how the object display invokes the behavior defined in the Angeles class, showcasing polymorphism where the actual method implementation executed depends on the class of the how object created.
So conclusion. The Java program presented demonstrates fundamental principles of abstraction through the use of an interface, an abstract class, and concrete classes. The program effectively illustrates how abstraction can be utilized to define common behaviors while allowing for specific implementations. So here is some key concepts. Abstraction A. Define a clear contract through the Peregrine interface. B. Establishes a common structure with the Hawaiian abstract class.